When people talk about the Dutch aviation industry and aircraft designers, the spotlight usually goes to Anthony Fokker and the successful Fokker airplanes. But the Netherlands had another brilliant designer and aircraft builder who ended up in obscurity. Koolhoven was the other brilliant designer and aircraft builder in Dutch aviation history, but compared to all others from before the Second World War, he is quite unknown. And I think he deserves better. The video is a small documentary about this aircraft designer, and is the first of a series with different interesting themes. It will start Thursday, October 6, 2022. This video and many others, you can watch them early on Patreon. We have tiers starting at $2 per month. If you like my videos, please consider becoming a patron. We can really use your support. The link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching.